This video is for number 4. Consider this equation and determine the equations of its asymptotes. So comparing this equation to the general equation of a hyperbola, there is a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. That's when the denominator ends up being equal to 0. And there's a horizontal asymptote at the k value at -4. The equations of the asymptotes of the inverse. The inverse equation is obtained by switching x and y. So if we're trying to get y to be isolated, this would end up being x plus 4 equals 1 over y minus 2. We can cross multiply. That would give us x plus 4 times y minus 2 equals 1. And since we're trying to isolate the y, it would be counterproductive to try to distribute here because we'd get farther away from getting y isolated. So rather than doing that, we can divide by x plus 4. So then we actually end up with another hyperbola with different asymptotes. Notice here that now the vertical asymptote is x equals -4, which is the same as our original horizontal asymptote. And our vertical asymptote, the horizontal asymptote is at 2, which is the same number as our original vertical asymptote. So how are the asymptotes of an equation related to the asymptotes of its inverse? X and y are switched, just like we know is true for any inverse equation.